back to the channel. Happy Friday. Today's video is going to be a little mix up of full face skincare products that I have never shown you guys before that I'm really loving, and also how to do like a really quick hydrating facial if you have no time, you just want to get out the door and have glowing skin. This is what I do. It's very simple, beginner friendly, so if you guys want to see how it's done, just keep watching. So here we go. A full face of new skincare. Now I've been trying to be more gentle with my cleansing routine, so I've been switching it up with the Reversa Cleansing Micellar Solution. What I love about this design is that it's a pump, so it's super easy to use. I just leave it on the bathroom counter next to my cotton pads and a few pumps and I'm ready to take off all my makeup. If you have sensitive skin, this solution works really well and it doesn't irritate it either. Next up, I've been loving the Pixi Glow Mud Mask. During the summer months, my skin gets oilier, so a mud mask is perfect to use to help keep oily skin away. Taking my trusty dollar store brush, I'm going to just apply this all over the face. I apply a thin layer and let it sit for about 15 minutes. This mask helps purify and balance the skin, while the mineral-rich treatment sucks up oil and draws out impurities. Tip: if you have oilier skin, apply clay and mud masks twice a week. Once I'm done and ready to remove, and you'll know because the mask dries and feels really hard, just take a warm towel and remove gently for glowing skin. After removing this mask, my skin feels a bit tight, so I'm going to give it some hydration. This Giorgio Armani Prima Smart Moisture Serum is a new one I've been using. I'll have to use it a few more weeks to see the full benefits, but for the meantime, I love that it's hydrating and gives my skin an instant healthy glow. When applying serum, start with tapping motions and let the serum absorb into the skin. Collagen is something I remember Mama Chu would use, and I didn't really start using this regularly up until a few months ago. I started loving this product when it transformed my skin. It literally gave me glass skin during a Vichy facial. As you get older, collagen production starts to slow down, and so I started using this when I saw changes in my skin. Tip: always get ahead of your skincare rather than waiting for things to appear and then trying to fix them. Now when I apply the cream, I like to start in the middle and work my way out, focusing on areas that age faster. Here's a side tip: apply a little extra collagen cream to the under eye area and use an eye roller like this one to depuff and massage. Pop the roller in the fridge for half an hour and then use. And now we're done. So guys, those are my tips and tricks on how to do a really quick hydrating facial at home, hydrating facial at home, and also new skincare products that I've been using that I've been loving. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on anything new. Apparently some of you guys have not been getting my notifications, have been sending me DMs on Instagram saying, I don't know when your videos are coming out. So that, I'm sorry, I have no control over. You just have to hit that notification bell and hope and cross your fingers that it comes to you and it notifies you when I post a new video. They come up every Friday. Also, a little side sprinkle I wanted to tell you guys is that I might be doing a new series on my channel going forward, and I am just very excited about this. I do want to get your feedback on this. Do you want to see more content? If so, what would it be? What would you guys like to see? This is very important because I have a lot of ideas stuck up in here. I just don't know what the best way is to show you guys. So if you have any ideas of what you want to see more from me, I would love to hear from you. So if you do, make sure you comment below and let me know. Other than that, have a wonderful weekend, have a great Friday, and make sure to enjoy every day you have, and I'll see you all very soon in my next one.